Hey folks, Dan Frio here. Today this evening we're going to talk about, or the closing bell, we're going to talk about mortgage rates. So I have people putting down in the descriptions, hey, my rates are 7, my rates are 8, my rates this, which you're posting as these teaser rates and so forth. Guys, when I post the morning update, it's the national averages. It's basically from Mortgage News Daily, and it's mortgage rates all over the country on an average. Credit scores, LTVs, and all that, they really don't give us that. But I get what you're saying. So let me break down this. Let me just go into this and say, okay, I did a scenario, and we have we call it loan sifter. So basically, we put in our information into this system. It scans over 130 lenders throughout the whole country and gives us live rates, where they are right this second. So that being said, let's get to it. Let me show you what I'm seeing on my end, just so you guys don't think I'm out there pushing these low, unbelievably rates that you can't get. All right, so what I did on here, as you can see up through here, it's a $350,000 purchase with a $315,000 loan amount. This credit score is 680. Okay, so it's not a 740, it's not a 780, it's not a 760, and everything else. I put this in here to block out all the lenders that show up. But you can see that there's over 110 eligible lenders that I can place your loan with. Okay, so what we usually do is go from the top. You know, this is the best price. Think of it as Amazon. You're looking for a product, and you go to Amazon, you scan the whole system, and this is what pops up. Normally, you take the lowest price. Well, we most times do that as well, but sometimes the lenders stink. Okay, I'll just be blunt. Sometimes the lender is just terrible. Their underwriting stinks. Their turn time's terrible. Customer service is bad. So we might not choose them, but we can go down through the list. So let me break this down just to show you where rates are. You can see over here, I just plugged in 5. Okay, just as a starter point to see what's out there. Well, everything came back basically. Let's look at the APR. So even if you were to buy down the rate, okay, this would incorporate that into the APR. We don't even show APRs in the 6% rate. So I'm not saying that you're not getting quoted 6 or 6.5% rates, but there's something else to the story. It's not a conventional standard loan. Now there's non-QM programs out there that are higher rates with points. There is, once you get to a credit score of, let's say 660 or below, you're probably going to look at a government-backed loan. That's USDA, VA, or FHA. So that's where we come in to play for you guys, because you might not even know that that's an option for you. So you're going to say, okay, well, I'll take the 5 point whatever, or at that rate, it might be even 6. It could be. But if you're getting a 6% rate and you're putting down 3 or 5%, you shouldn't be in the 6s. And if you are, that's what you're getting quoted, please call us. If you got a loan estimate out there and you want me to analyze it. So what happens is when you call a lender within a couple days, 3 days, they have to send you out what's called a loan estimate. Okay, that'll tell you the property address, your name, what kind of loan amount, purchase price, all this stuff, and they'll tell me if it's locked or not. Then it'll give you, it's a 3-page document that breaks down everything. It'll give you the rate, the terms, the this, the that, the costs. Send those to me. You can email it to dan@therateupdate.com. I'll analyze that. Give me, if it's during market hours, during the day from like 10 in the morning till 4 at night, give me an hour. I'll get it right back to you saying, okay, we can help you, or okay, what's going on here? But when you send that to me, the only additional items I need is your credit score. Just let me know what your credit score is. So again, you can email those to dan@therateupdate.com. Do you need this year's taxes? Somebody just asked me a question. No, you don't need those yet because they're not, well, yes, you do. They were actually due Monday. So you do need those unless you file an extension. If you file an extension, that's fine as well. So I wasn't really going to do ask questions or do questions on here. I just want to do a short video for those out there saying, Daniel, the rates you post on a morning basis, those aren't accurate. Well, they're accurate. They're from Mortgage News Daily. You can subscribe to that site as well by the description down below and check out all the content there. But please follow me. Continue to follow me on YouTube. I'm going to post probably 2 to 3 times a day. You're more than welcome to watch it if you want, but I'll do the morning update. I'll do a midday report and a closing bell, kind of just looping some things together, questions or concerns or some issues that we saw throughout the day that I might think you might find informative. So that's it for today, guys. God bless. Thanks so much. Don't forget tomorrow's Thirsty Thursday. I'm trying to get a record number of people there. So it will be at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, YouTube Live and Facebook Live. So take care, guys. I will see you tomorrow morning at the opening bell with Dan Frio.